बघा नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मध्ये we have to find vector which is parallel to I cap minus 2 j cap and having magnitude is equal to 10. Now consider given vector a bar is equal to I cap minus 2 j cap, which is denoted like this vector. Now we have to find vector which is parallel to given vector and having magnitude is equal to 10. Then first we can find out the vector which is in the direction of given vector. Okay, now that is unit vector, and we have to calculate the vector which has magnitude 10. Then we can multiply that vector by the 10, then we will get our required vector. So first calculate unit vector in the direction of vector A, means given vector, which can be calculated by A cap is equal to given vector divided by its magnitude. Given vector is I cap minus 2 j cap divided by under root of 1 square plus minus 2 square, which gives I cap minus j cap divided by root 5. Now this is unit vector in the direction of A. Now we have to obtain parallel vector which has magnitude 10 is equal to this vector multiplied by 10, which gives 10 I cap minus 20 j cap divided by root 5, which can be written as 10 divided by root 5 I cap minus 20 divided by root 5 j cap. So this is the required vector. In next example, we have to show that vector A bar and vector B bar are parallel to each other. We know the property of the cross product or vector product is, if cross product between any two vectors is equal to 0, then they are said to be parallel. Now consider vector product of vector A bar and B bar is equal to, in determinant, first row is I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row is the coefficient of the I, j, k of first vector, that is 2, 5, minus 6, and third row is coefficient of the I cap, j cap, k cap of second vector, that is 1, pi by 2, and minus 3. Now we have to solve this 3 by 3 determinant, which can be solved by first I cap in bracket, we can eliminate this column and this row, and we can solve this, that is 5 multiplied by minus 3 minus of minus 6 into pi by 2, this bracket complete, minus j, we can eliminate this column and this row, then we get 2 into minus 3 minus of minus 6 into 1 plus k cap, we can eliminate this column and this row. Now solve 2 into pi by 2 minus of 5 into 1, which is equal to minus 15. This minus minus becomes plus, and this will be gives 15 minus j, here minus 6 plus 6 plus k cap into 5 minus 5. So after performing this calculation, we get 0, that is A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. That means cross product of A bar and B bar is equal to 0. Therefore A bar is parallel to B bar. Now next example, we have to find out A bar cross B bar. A bar is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, and B bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. Now A bar cross B bar, that is cross product, is equal to determinant of I, j, k, then coefficient of first vector, that is 2, 3, 0. Here coefficient of k is absent, that is it will be 0, and third row is 3, 5 and 0. Now we can solve this determinant. You know how to solve this. First I into bracket 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0 minus j in the bracket 2 into 0 minus 0 into 3 means 0 plus k in the bracket, k into the bracket 2 into 5 means 10 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So we get 0 minus 0 plus k into 1, that means A cross B is equal to k cap. Therefore cross product of vector A bar and B bar is equal to k. In next example, we have to show that vector A bar, B bar and C bar are mutually perpendicular to each other. We know that if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product or scalar product is equal to 0. Here we have to show that three vectors are mutually perpendicular, means we have to show that vector A bar and B bar, vector B and C and vector A and C are perpendicular to each other, means dot product of vector A dot B, vector B dot C and vector A dot C is equal to 0. First, let's consider dot product between A and B. Vector A is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Vector B is 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. Now dot product is obtained by multiplication of the coefficient of I plus multiplication of coefficient of j cap plus multiplication of coefficient of k cap. Here 2 into 3, 6, then 3 into minus 6 is minus 18 and 6 into 2 is plus 12. Here 6 plus 12, 18 minus 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Give that equation number 1. Second, consider dot product between B and C. Vector B is 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap into 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Again 3 into 6 plus 18 minus 6 into 2 minus 12. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Give that equation number 2. Consider dot product between A and C is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap dot 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 2, 6 plus 6 into minus 3 minus 18 is equal to 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Give that equation number 3. Now from equation 1 we will say that vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. From equation 2 vector B and C are perpendicular to each other, and from equation 3 we will say that vector A and C are perpendicular to each other. Means from equation 1, 2 and 3 A, B and C are perpendicular to each other or they are mutually perpendicular to each other.